Joe, welcome everybody. Tuca, we got a full house, Tuca. We got a full house. You know, it was so much easier when women couldn't talk. But go ahead. Well, what woman wants to talk? Jack? Well, of course you could talk.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you?
I want to say good. Can you email me that link above earlier?
Yeah,
in the chat room?
you mean yesterday's link with our discussion?
Yeah, it's up. It's in the chat room. Up
Okay.
a little bit higher if we scroll up, because it times out on me. And if I have the email, I can always access it. But if I don't, I get timed out. It won't let me open it to watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
let me send it to you directly.
okay, thank you.
And then of course.
And then can I discuss?
Did you say hi to Jack today?
I am Jack.
You don't know Jack. That show. That show. Jack and Joe went up a hill. Okay. Yes.
And then can I discuss GJ with you?
Yes.
I'm getting better and better at it.
I promise you'll get better with knowledge.
So maybe this little link will be a good portion of the knowledge too. Because I want to show you what I think I thought I realized. Remember I sent you the picture?
Hey. That's not that type of site. Yes, Tuca, I got your picture. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, Tuca, I got your picture. Hold on.
It was the 1 minute. Calm down.
Don't be talking about Jack's sex life.
1 minute.
They call him 1 minute Charlie. Charlie, come here. It's an embarrassment to Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. Okay. Yes, let me get the DJ thing. Let me get the DJ thing here for you. And pound yen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pound yen. Let me get there. Let's see here. God, it's gonna be a hot day today, 85 degrees. Okay. Yeah. All right. Forex.
I'll be real quick.
Oh, you don't have to be. Take as much time as you want. People learn. I get a lot of comments about you.
Really?
That's good.
They're like, she's so annoying. Get her off.
yeah. That's a few of them. That's a few. No. That's a few of them. What, 5 minutes you said?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Jack and Scott can relate to that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I saw the change of character at the very bottom there. I drew my support line at the bottom.
Okay. Let me get there first, please.
No, the next one over.
Yeah, let me
delete all that.
Yeah, this is for the birds. This is for the birds.
Okay. See the indicator one? That's the one you want. No, to the yeah, that one.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay, that's the one. All right.
So I drew the line at the bottom for the support.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I texted you. I got in early and I got that wave to the up thrust, right?
Okay.
And then I came, and then after that, it gave the selling wave. But I asked you, because it's halfway of that buying bar, not the one you drew, but 3 bars to the right, right? Now, if you draw another line, the second support in the 2 swing lows there, like whatever you call like double bottom. Can you draw another line? Can you?
There's a couple of nice trades here.
No, not there. To
I
the
know,
left.
but
No, I know, but you're doing it right.
Okay.
I want to show
Okay.
you my
The
novice.
where? Left's here?
No. See the buying bar, 3 bars to the right. 1, 2, 3 bars. 1, 2, 3. No, not that's not too far. Yeah, that one. See that buying bar?
This here?
Yep. Can you draw a line right across? But not that line, but can you draw the line up top there? No, don't move that line. Move the other line over. Yeah, leave that line.
Okay.
Yeah. And then bring the top line
This
over.
one?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay.
Yeah. Bring that line. So because you said it's halfway of that buying bar, right?
Right.
It didn't break down to retest the support, so we're still, the indication is the strength is still alive, right?
Right.
So I had that, so I took the profit off of that buying wave, and that was too early, and then it gave the up thrust and it retested again, but I went to bed. And then now it's 40 pips. But can you go through?
Yeah, this is a good one.
Okay, good.
This is a good
Take
one.
it away.
Okay, take it away. Take it away, Charlie. So we have weakness marked out. Lydia, you're here, right? Lydia's here. Joe's here. Jack, the support you get on your bottom is called depends. Right? Yours is depends. Okay. So this could be any market, right? Okay. So we have marked down, right? Bearishness. But look right here. Remember we compare volume to length? Joe, this is very important for you. Lydia, you too. Yeah, and to see this here, you're comparing length of bars, okay? Length of bars fairly wide, okay? Look at the difference here. The selling wave structure, so David Weinstein, okay, is a shortening of the thrust. The volume does not do as much damage. So when the CM covers it, he doesn't cover at one price. He covers it in a series of prices. So he starts to short the cover because he's stopping volume, cause a rally. Now, we're not going to buy the spring from weakness, obviously, right? You're not going to buy that spring, right? Nobody would buy that spring in their right mind. Maybe Jack. But maybe we'll buy that spring, right? Okay. So look for a secondary test. So you want to see the story, the backup of that story. Boom. Buying. Okay. Now I have to get above some type of buying bar. I would draw this bar right here, but it's a stopping action bar. I draw my line across from here. Okay. Now I have absorption to the market, right? But I still don't have what don't I have? I still don't have a sign of strength, do I? So most likely we're going to back and fill this trading range and form spacing. Okay, we're going to form spacing to the market, obviously, right? So we're going to go spacing. Well, the market here has resistance, right? This is a reaction high before the low. Reaction high before the low. Reaction high before the low, right? Up thrust, but no supply. Up thrust, but no supply, indicating that the sellers here are not here. Goes to this. This is no edge. This is no edge. The market comes above here. This is your trade. This is your edge trade. Why? Because shortening of the downward thrust, effort versus result. Effort versus result.
But Gary.
No. Effort versus result. This is your trade.
Right, but look at the support. There's a buying bar on your trade line, right? Where it says trade. No, yeah. See the buying bar? See the buying bar? No, not that one. To the left. A few more. Yeah, right there, right there.
Hmm?
See the 3 red volumes, that baby shortening of the thrust one?
Perfect. It's a perfect example of it.
Right? That's an entry too, yes?
Yes. So this one is an entry too. But
Yes, that
I
one.
think it's more clear. Kind of more clear. But
Right.
yes.
Okay.
So it's kind of your. So yes. So let's short it down with thrust. Okay. Now I think I need more in my head wise. I need more spacing, but that's okay. You could. I wouldn't buy this bar because you're too far away from the danger zone, right? But this one's clearly. Look at the volume. Actually, the volume here on the shortening of the thrust. The volume here on the shortening of the thrust is lighter than this range. Look at that. This proves to you the CM. It proves to you of strong hands in the market. But hands down. Yeah, you're astronomical. Yeah, right. Hands down. Effort versus result. Shorting of thrust. There's your entry. You're right, too. Your entry. For those of you that want the more clear entry, the no brain entry is right here. Buying bar, shorting of the thrust. Look, you can throw all the other crap off the window. Okay, look at the volume. Look at the close mid range. This is a spring. Beautiful example of that. Do you see that? I can't be more clear. Any market, any time frame, anything. Don't got to worry about the boogeyman. Don't got to worry about Vanna White or Vanna Black or Pat Sajak or whatever. Look, each shortening of the downward thrust. We can go either a light volume or high volume. This is stop reaction. This is CM buying here, defending price. What can you say? It's a perfect. It's a forex chart. It's a forex chart. Selling, little stopping action. Okay, still weak, right? This whole structure wave is weak. Retesting. First, and then we got look at the green bars coming over higher volume. So, I can't. This is how a market goes from a bearish market in the pound yen 5-minute chart all the way across and down, going down from this. This is where your buy area is, right? This is your buy. This is your buying, overcoming selling, spring, trade, everything else, right? To trade, you have a tremendous amount of trade. You have your trade set up here, trade set up here, trade set up here, trade set up here. Here, it will not take too far. Danger zone, boom. Okay.